Before you book your desert safari or explore the modern skyline of Doha, let's talk about your Qatar e-visa for Indian passport holder. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get a Qatar tourist e-visa whether you're applying through Atlas or doing it on your own. Let's get started. There are some important things to be aware of while you're planning for your Qatar trip. If you're invited to Qatar by a GCC resident card holder, you can enter visa free. But if you don't know anyone and still want to visit, you will need an e-visa. Qatar e-visas are valid for 90 days from the date of issue and they allow holders to stay in the country for up to 30 days. So you can enter Qatar anytime within those 90 days and stay for a maximum of 30 days. The Qatar e-visa is simple to get, doesn't require any embassy visits, and the entire process is paperless. Everything from filling out the form to uploading your documents and making the payment can be done online using your phone or laptop. Now, what is the easiest way to apply for the Qatar e-visa? It's through Atlas. You can apply for the Qatar e-visa using Atlas in just 6 simple steps. Step 1. Open the Atlas app or visit the website and select Qatar as your destination. Step 2. Choose the date you want your e-visa for. Step 3. Upload a photo that meets Qatar e-visa requirement. With Atlas, you can upload any passport photo and we'll automatically adjust it to fit the official specifications in just seconds. Don't have a passport photo? No worry. Just take a quick selfie and upload it. We've made this step super simple and accessible. Step 4. Upload a photo of the front and back pages of your passport. All your details will be filled in automatically. If you've used Atlas before, your information will be already pre-filled. Step 5. Add any co-travelers if you're applying together. Step 6. Add travel insurance if you'd like. Otherwise, just hit submit, make the payment and you're done. That's it. There is absolutely no catch. You can check the e-visa status by logging into your profile on Atlas and you'll receive your Qatar tourist e-visa on your Atlas profile, which you can download from there. Want to apply for a Qatar e-visa on your own? Here's what you need to prepare beforehand. A digital photograph of yourself, a valid ID, passport or Qatar ID. For passport holders, the validity should be at least 3 months. Details of your onward travel and a hotel booking for the duration of your stay. In case someone is hosting you, please be sure they register it on the portal. Once you have these ready, go to the official Qatar e-visa portal over here. Step 1. Click on Start Your Journey and choose your transportation method. Let's say you are taking a flight to Qatar, so select Flying to Qatar and then select India as your nationality. The website will ask you if you're a GCC resident. For this video, we'll assume that you're not. It will also ask if you hold a valid visa or permanent residency for the US, UK, Canada, Schengen area, Australia or New Zealand. For the purpose of this guide, we assume you don't have any of those. Step 2. Click on Confirm and then on Tourist A1 visa, which is the recommended e-visa for tourism to Qatar. Click on Apply for A1 visa. Step 3. Create a Haya account to start your application. Log into this website and select Apply for Haya. Step 4. Enter your purpose of visit. If the purpose is tourism, select leisure. Upload your passport size photo, making sure it meets the official requirements. A plain background, your face centered and covering about 80% of the image, and the file must be in JPG or JPEG format and under 2 MB. Next, upload a scanned copy of your passport's bio page in JPG or JPEG format and under 2 MB. Step 5. From your passport, the Haya website will extract all required details except passport type, your contact information and emergency contact information, which have to be manually entered. Click on Validate My ID and after validation, click Next. Step 6. Enter residency information, that is your place of birth and place of residence along with residence history. Step 7. Enter your accommodation details, whether you have booked accommodation or staying with family and friends. Enter the hotel name if you have booked accommodation. Be aware that proof of accommodation is required to enter Qatar and you should have it to get through immigration. Step 8. Review all your information and hit submit. Your application is now submitted. Processing usually takes 1 to 3 working days. It's best to apply at least a week in advance in case of delays or document requests. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Our visa experts will be happy to assist you. And if this video helps you to get your visa, please hit like and share it across. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides.